What's up again, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. What's up again, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you scroll down to the bottom and you hit the subscribe button, man. Today in this video, I got 2 W's on Nike sneakers, so we're just gonna do an unboxing. If you're new to the channel, make sure you scroll down to the bottom and you hit the subscribe button. I'm not gonna lie, man, I've been hitting back-to-back on Nike sneakers. I didn't go for the dunks this morning, so I have enough dunks, I ain't gonna lie, that I don't wear. So I didn't obviously see myself wearing no nature high dunks, you know what I mean? They look like a jacket. I can get jiggy with that material. So leave a like on the video or a comment at the bottom and let me know if you hit for those nature high dunks. I hit for the Sacai Waffles on sneakers that play the morning, and this is honestly my first pair of Sacai Waffles, and I'm really eager to see what these look like in hand. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. This box is a little different, as you can see, man. We don't got the original Nike Dunk High box. What is this? What do they call this? A slide out box. We got this tab right here reads Nike LD Waffle SU Midnight Spruce University Red. These actually retail at a USD price of $170. Most of the waffles I've seen retail for the $180, so they gave us a little discount on these. Buying the box out, they gave us some black paper. Black undercover paper. Okay, now these are hard right here. These are hard right here. I thought the double outsole was gonna make the shoe look too big or something like that, but it's actually a normal size looking shoe. It's a really dope colorway. They got the red and green going on. They got the double laces. They got the it's just double everything, you know what I'm saying? But me going for the shoe, I thought it was gonna be a pretty large shoe, but it's actually a normal size looking shoe. And there you have it, man, for Sacai LD Waffles, man. I'm gonna be sure to give you guys a review on these. I know I didn't give you guys a review on the last shoes that I dropped. I hit for 3 of them, but I didn't do no review, but I'll give y'all a review on this one. And going into the next shoe, man. Yes, sir. That pine green box, man. It did pretty good on the box, man. You still got the elephant print, you got the green and the 3/4 of the box with the Jordan Jump, man. This tab right here reads Air Jordan 3 black pine green silver white. These right here are your pine greens, man. Pretty dope shoe right here. The only thing I don't like about this shoe is that they gave us the suede on the upper part of the shoe instead of giving us the tumble leather like they're supposed to give us on Bread 3s, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, it being green and black, this is a fire colorway. The thing I like about this right here is the yellow trimming around the jump, man. This right here is a dope colorway, man. Let me know what y'all think about these shoes right here down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about the Sacai Waffles down in the comment section. So that would be it for today's unboxing, man. Let me know if you guys hit for the nature high dunks this morning. All those shoes that's coming out in that colorway looks like a straight jacket. I cannot do with that material, man. So thank you guys for watching the video. It's your man Skinny Ant checking in, checking out. Peace.